Ow, I just hurt my finger. So today we are gonna make something that I love to drink, especially during the holidays. And it involves Fireball. And a lot of people say, oh, I don't like Fireball. Well, I don't like you. Second of all, it's not gonna be strong. We just need that cinnamon flavor. And what a good way to incorporate cinnamon. So if you wanna try this recipe, all you need is apple cider. I was gonna say apple cider vinegar. And we're gonna heat that up, and I'll show you how quick and how delicious this drink is. And I guarantee if you give it to anybody who says I don't like Fireball, they will like this one. So I'm gonna begin by heating up 3 cups, and I cook it with 1 cinnamon stick. It's supposed to turn on. Is this plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay, I knew this. I got this. I just bought this, by the way. So I'm gonna heat up my pot. And to this, I'm gonna add 3 cups of apple cider. And we're gonna let the magic happen. To this, I'm also gonna add 1 cinnamon stick. And make sure your cinnamon stick submerges all the way. You might be wondering, why are you adding a cinnamon why are you adding a cinnamon stick when you're adding Fireball, which is cinnamon flavor? We want the artificial flavor from Fireball, and then we want the natural flavor from the cinnamon. I like this new packaging they have going on for the holidays. Maybe I need a shot. Because we're back to recording, I need to knock off some of the tension. I'll take 1 shot. And this is just so, for research purpose. I need to make sure. I love this. I could do this all day. We should just do cocktail videos. Call it the cocktail channel. See, I haven't even had drinks. I'm already drunk and knocking stuff over. So while we wait for this to heat up, we're gonna measure out 1 shot for our drink. So I don't know how much is a shot, but I'm just gonna eyeball it to your preference. So once my mixture has boiled, but not boiled over, it's ready to go. I don't want to infuse too much of the cinnamon because I don't want it to taste like a lot of cinnamon. So I have my cup. I'm gonna pour some of this. Almost all the way. And then I'm gonna pour my whole shot. Well, obviously you know that's more than a shot, but that's my preference. I would recommend 1 shot. And if you want to garnish and get all fancy, there you go. Voila. So see how simple it is. If you're bored, I'm sharing my favorite recipe with you because I love cinnamon. Or if it's a holiday, so just for fun, just enjoy it and relax. Put the kids to sleep. Don't put the kids to sleep. I don't have kids. I don't know why I'm talking about kids. So share the love with someone you love.